Major, what kind of helos fly out of Bingham?
Blackhawks and Chinooks. Why?
He has found us.
Take cover! Major! We're in, go!
Head for the base, about 2 miles down this road.
It'll be on us again in a minute.
This is Major Dean, 361st Intelligence Surveillance and Reconnaissance Group, declaring ThreatCon Delta. I'm currently 2 miles south of Bingham Air Base in a white van, headed for the West Gate, pursued by hostiles and a stolen police helicopter.
Where are we going? Can't all those soldiers back there help us?
They'll be able to slow it down, but they can't kill it.
The C-5. Can you fly that?
Of course.
You are entering unauthorized airspace. Turn around now or we will open fire.
You ready?
What the hell?
Stand down! These people are district contractors, friendlies. I'll do what I can to cover your backs until you can get airborne.
We have been reacquired.
Take cover! Don't touch me!
I'm out.
Sorry about your shed.